Hey, so you're living in Trinidad and Tobago and maybe you're unemployed, or maybe you used to work for one of those companies, you know, like Trin, TSTT, Ainsley, or any one of those other countless companies that have been laying off people left, right, and center. Or maybe you just don't like what the hell you do for work and you're looking for a way to transition out of there. You're looking for something that could sustain your family, maybe part-time, until you could get out of there. Then this is the video for you. We are going to look at 7 proven ways that you can actually make money online in Trinidad and Tobago, and we are going to begin right. So my name is Ainsley Stewart and welcome to my channel. If this is the first time you're on, welcome, special welcome to you and my loyal subscribers as well. On this channel we look at tips, tools and strategies for building and growing a profitable business online. We look at making money online as well as entrepreneurship, along with a sprinkling of motivation here and there so that you can keep your mind right, you can keep in that headspace so that you can actually fulfill your purpose and build the legacy and the dream lifestyle that you and your family would love. So if that sounds like something you'd be interested in, definitely hit the subscribe button, click the notification bell so that you can join the family and be notified every time I upload a new video, which is pretty regular on this channel. So I love to hear from my audience, so be sure to comment below. Let me know what you have going on and how I can add value or how I can help add value to what you have going on right now. So without further delay, let's dive into the content. So your first question might be, Ainsley, can I actually make money online in Trinidad and Tobago? And the answer is an emphatic yes. Yes, you can. Yes, you can. And we're going to look at 7 proven ways beginning now. So way number 1 you can make money online in Trinidad and Tobago is e-commerce. Now we've all done some kind of e-commerce at some point in time, whether you have shopped online through Amazon, through eBay, or maybe one of those shoe sites if you're a lady, well, maybe one of those clothing sites or tech sites. If you're into that, you would have done some form of e-commerce. That is where you have a listing of the products that you provide and a person can actually go on, put it into their cart and cash out using a credit card or some form of payment. How can you make money on e-commerce? There are ways that you can create your own online shop using platforms like Shopify, Magento and others. And you create this online store where people can actually browse through the products that you provide and they actually cash out. Another spin on this is something called drop shipping. This is where you don't actually have or house the items or products, but you are just like the middleman and you put up products that you can source from China, and once the person buys, the fulfillment is actually done by the company, right? And in terms of physical products. So that is one way. It is definitely a profitable way. So once you find a niche that you want to supply, you choose your products and you use one of the platforms. You have someone create one of these online stores for you and you list all the items, and you have your pay merchant where set up in a way that you get paid via credit card, via PayPal or whatever, and it goes straight to your account and you fulfill your orders. So that is one way that you can make money online in Trinidad and Tobago. Definitely profitable. Way number 2 is freelancing. People are becoming more aware that having an online presence is definitely an asset to their business, and if they don't do that, they are definitely gonna fall behind in their businesses. They're gonna lose profitability, and because of that, there is a need and there is a market for people who have skills on actually providing services for helping these people to set up certain things in their businesses. For example, video marketing is huge and important. So things like graphic design, video editing, and running people's social media campaigns. All of these are skills, just a few of the skills that once you have these skills, you can actually market and sell these skills to various businesses who are looking for people to do those kind of things to help them develop their online presence. So that is definitely a way. So once you have a skill set, you can actually monetize that skill set by doing what is called freelancing, where you as an individual, you approach companies, you market yourself, and you will be able to get clients and provide these services. Now, there are some platforms that you can actually market yourself on. There are things like Fiverr. I've actually seen a couple of local freelancers on Fiverr and Upworks and some of the others. There are several. You can do your research. There are several platforms where you can list your services, create a profile, and people will actually reach out to you, or you can aggressively go and market yourself to these businesses. And yes, definitely another way that you can make money on that. All right, way number 3 on making money online is selling info products. Now, this is simply selling your skills without you being there. So it's basically monetizing your skills. So let's say you can cook or fix a car, for example. You create several videos, instructional videos, and you package that as a deal, and you put a price on it, and you monetize that. All right, so that is the simplest that I can explain it, but it's definitely a very profitable way to make money online, because the profit margin basically is 100%. If you create a product, you create a course, and you sell it, the profit is basically 100%. All right, it doesn't cost much to make several videos. You may pay a little something to have it edited, to create a package deal, and then you sell it, and basically you can make a lot of money doing that. And that is one way that you can make money online in Trinidad and Tobago. Guys, so just remember, number 7 is my absolute favorite, so be sure to stay till the end. We're halfway there. So way number 4 on making money online in Trinidad and Tobago is creating a digital or social media agency. Now, I personally have a social media agency, digital agency, where I provide services for clients. Now, it's slightly different from being a freelancer. Being a freelancer, you are on your own basically, right? So you are monetizing some skill, whether it be video editing, etc. Where digital agency is concerned, you actually have a team in place that handles specialized skill sets. So basically, you may have a video editor. Now, you don't have to create an office and have all these people on hand. You can actually outsource these things. You don't have to actually have the team in-house per se. You can actually outsource these things. So let's say you get a client and they need you to help them with their entire social media presence. So you would need someone to create the post, to write the post. That's basically a content creator. You would need someone to manage it, to maybe monitor the comments and stuff on their pages, run ads. So all of these different skills that you need, you actually outsource each one of them to a specialist, and you are basically just managing all of the people, managing all of the assets, and creating this entire packaged service for a client or a customer. So that is basically having a digital agency or social media agency. Quite profitable as well, because you have to bear in mind there would be costs attached to having these services done by providers. So before, with freelancing, I mentioned putting up your services on Fiverr and Upwork. In a digital media agency case, you may actually look for people with those skills on Fiverr and Upwork. So you're actually hiring freelancers to do certain stuff for you. You can get people for very, very small fees, especially from those countries like Philippines. Even some of the local people are willing to work for, you know, a reasonable price. So that is another way that you can make money online. So way number 5 is sell your stuff. Now, you may look around your house, you may have things that you don't quite use. A quick and easy way to make some money online, they call it arbitrage, I think it is. Can't even name arbitrage, whatever. Basically, you look for things that you're not using and you list them on sites. Locally, we have things like pin.tt, you have the Facebook marketplace, you have eBay, you have, well, Amazon doesn't really do that much used products anymore, but all of these are platforms that you can actually list stuff. There are a lot of Facebook pages that you can use things like whatever, right? Whatever, clothes or whatever that you don't use anymore. You can actually make some quick money online by listing these things and selling them. So that is a quick way that you can make some good money. So that is way number 5. Now way number 6 that you can make money online in Trinidad and Tobago is doing teaching or tutoring. You can also call it coaching and mentoring. All of these are ways that you monetize your skill. So unlike selling a digital or info product, basically you're selling your skill and your time. So the markup on this can be really, really huge. I mean, you are charging for your time and you are teaching a specific skill. So whether it's business mentoring, whether it be tax services, and you are teaching particular skills, you are actually doing it through online platforms, whether through Skype or whatever. The thing is, you are not physically there. You don't have to jump in your car, or you don't have to rent a particular facility or a room or an office to have people come to you. You're actually doing it online and you monetize this. As I say, the profitability on this is huge because you are charging for your time and your skill. So it's definitely a very profitable way that you can make money online in Trinidad and Tobago, and I would recommend it. It's pretty awesome. Now be sure to comment below if you have used any of these so far. Be sure to comment below, let me know what you do to make money online. And now be sure to comment below, let me know what method you are using, or which one you like of what I have done so far to make money online in Trinidad and Tobago. And if at any time you want to know more about any particular method, you can hit me a shout, hit me in the comments. Right, let me know what you think about what I've revealed so far. These are definitely great ways to make money online, and we are going on to my absolute favorite, number 7. Number 7 is affiliate marketing. Now if you've never heard of affiliate marketing, it's basically sending people towards a solution and you are being compensated by the solution provider for it. So for example, there is Amazon affiliate program. So somebody wants, right, but basically with Amazon, let's say somebody wants this camera, for example, that I'm recording on. Somebody wants the camera, they would have done the research and they are now looking to purchase the camera, and they bounce up some listing that you created. So affiliate marketing would have it that Amazon would pay you a commission for having had that person purchase a camera using your personal link. So they provide you with a link, and that is how it's tracked. So that is how it would basically, you're given a link, a personal link, or it's coded to you that whoever buys using your link, you are compensated. So that way is really, really profitable. Now I personally like it because I don't have to worry about creating any product. I don't have to reinvent the wheel. All I have to do is point people towards a particular thing. I don't have to handle calls if the product doesn't work. I mean, yes, it would be your recommendation, but at the end of the day, it's the product creator who has to deal with actually the fulfillment, the support that is necessary, shipping, getting it out, and everything like that. And I don't have to have the headache of having to deal with that. So that is why it's one of my absolute favorites. Speaking of affiliate marketing, if you want to know a bit more about affiliate marketing in particular, I am actually providing a checklist where you can actually create an affiliate marketing business in one weekend. I'm calling it the Weekend Affiliate Warrior, and I'm gonna put the link to that down below in the description, so be sure to check that out. Also, I am also adding a link to a playlist where I did a 5-part series on all about affiliate marketing for a beginner as well as an intermediate. If you don't know much about affiliate marketing, this 5-part series playlist, it's completely free. I don't know how long I'm gonna leave it up on YouTube, because I may actually package it and put a price on it. It is that valuable, so be sure to check that out. Be sure to check out this video next, where I look at affiliate marketing in Trinidad and Tobago, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye.